Okay, so we've now reviewed what formative assessment is and summative, and so formative, of course, is going to help us form our plan for what we need to teach. And so I'm going to show you a couple of tools for finding out what they need to know and showing them something as a group using your new LCD projector. So first of all, I wanted to tell you a little story. I passed out the base 10 blocks and asked the students to show me 12 times 3 with the base 10 blocks. And I was looking around, oh, that's good, that's good, that's good. Show me what you have here. And one of the kids put 12 in one spot and made a multiplication sign with 2 10s and put 3 in the other place. And so I knew that we didn't quite have that concept of how to show with base 10 blocks. And our new book does a lot with arrays, and A-R-R-A-Y, arrays. And so do the lower level books do that too? No? Yeah. So I needed ways to show the whole class. It's very difficult having base 10 blocks with the whole room and wanting to show them something. So that's what I wanted to show you today. That technology is very hard to work with sometimes when it won't go when you want it. But on your Scott Forsman website, if you click over here on Take It to the Net, okay, I got unlogged. I got logged out because it took too long. But have you all used the name and password in there yet? Some of you have, some of you haven't. Well, in here, Take It to the Net. If you'll ask me, I'll give you one. If you just want, I made up a John Doe one. If you want to just use that. If you want to use this for your LCD projector. So these are e-tools, and these are one way to show the whole class something on the screen. Okay, this should work on your desktop computer, but it won't necessarily work on the lab. The lab that I was trying to do it with my students would not pull this up. One of the labs will, one of the labs won't. So if you pick up a base 10 block, you can put it over here quickly, which is much more, it's just easier than using the overhead projector. So I can move them around, and I can put them together like an array faster. So it's just easier to show the kids something. See if doing it this way. This is one tool. Then I want to show you another tool. So you can use the base 10 blocks to see what they understand, and then you can use this to help them, you know, to model another way to do it. Money is one of my favorite because of this little feature. You put the money here, and you can ask them pick the hammer up, and you can break each one up into smaller coins, and you can break it up again very quickly like that. It's just much faster to explain something when you have money all passed out with everyone. But those are just 2 tools I wanted to show you. And then if I could have a light on, the lights on, please. In front of you are your storyboards, and I've had several people ask, how do you use storyboards? And we might not use them exactly the way that we used to use them, but we can certainly use them to assess understanding. So just right now, take your storyboards, pick one, and as a group, let's see if you could show at your group, how could you model an addition problem? Make up a story with one of the groups of boards. A story of an addition problem, we'll start with.
Your little piece of paper to work on and that's your friend.
Okay, I mine. There you go. Sometimes I wonder.